first time I met Chris. He had holes in his shoes and socks, and he was a very poor person. He had no style. But now he has like a house and a car, like multiple cars. But they all pale in comparison to Abbie.
And no pay when you see better look chong look up in how to do Japan and China. You promise that you are Christopher's wife. You belong to him. So you want to nyala, you to loon, you to pan, you to don all night.
You married to her not just for her, you marry for the entire family. Both people become one, you have to love each other. So as a grandpa to both of you, I'm so happy that you both choose each other, and now you have to learn a different culture. You have to learn about her culture, she needs to learn your culture. And both cultures become together and much more stronger and powerful.
So love each other. It's not always a honeymoon, right? It's not always a honeymoon. You guys, it's a partnership. I always say it's a partnership. You guys are gonna fight for each other. Let love come first.
Okay, I'm uncle, her mom's brother. Abbie is like my kid's favorite babysitter. Okay, and she was always at our house, and my kids miss her very much too. So, you know, out of 3 billion people, you guys found each other. You're the most handsome person in the world to her. She's the most prettiest girl in the world to you. Please let it stay that way. There's so many temptations in this world right now. As you grow together, keep your dream together. You gotta show respect to her family as much as you show respect to your husband. That's how your marriage will build up, okay? Always remember this day, okay?
I want to thank Christopher and Abbie because his mother her name was Joy, and I know she is here, and she was a delightful woman. And Christopher and Crystal both missed their mother tremendously. I thank you very much for praying and bowing. I was a monk for many years, and so we prayed for the ancestors, and you prayed for his mother, Joy, and I really, really appreciate that.
Okay, we have to go. Hey, India, chia lệ trở này chịu cái có tuy này giờ mua này lúc năng chỉ này riêng ở bao này là cho chị mà cho đầu xe của nó mà bây giờ mình mua cái lú về even though which you có gì đỡ tụt tụt có lo có mình cái tay lúc này cho năng tụt tụt thế mà tụt đầu xe lúc năng có này em thì xong cho trong xe đi cháu cho xe nhỏ em bỏ nên muốn năng phiêu bỏ nên muốn này cho năng thì trong xe đi trong xe còn nhà đi 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 xây ở trong gì chúng nó trong xe thì không có con không trong xe muốn năng à bây đi bây chỉ vả cho còn này năng rồi